Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best exhaust cutouts is probably one of the most exciting modifications you can make to your car. They offer a thrilling blend of enhanced performance, a more aggressive exhaust note, and a head-turning aesthetic. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of exhaust cutouts, exploring their benefits, how they work, and what you should consider before making the leap. Number 5. SPELAB 3.0-inch Exhaust Cutout Valve Kit. Tired of a quiet ride? This electric exhaust cutout valve kit from SPELAB is designed for all vehicle types. It enhances your car's performance and gives you control over your exhaust sound. The kit includes everything you need: a 3.0-inch valve, a remote, and a control box. You can easily switch between a quiet and an aggressive sound with the wireless remote from inside the car. This cutout valve helps exhaust gases flow faster, potentially increasing horsepower. It provides a deep, aggressive sound when open, while maintaining smooth exhaust flow. The valve features a high-quality chrome-plated steel butterfly plate. It's built to withstand temperatures from 0 to 150 degrees Celsius. However, avoid using it in extreme weather conditions. SPELAB offers a 12-month warranty on the motor, remote, and control box. They value your experience and are ready to assist you with any issues within 24 hours. What we like. This SPELAB kit offers convenient remote control, letting you switch between quiet and aggressive exhaust notes with ease. It's perfect if you want to instantly change your car's sound profile. If you like having complete control over your exhaust sound at your fingertips, this is the one for you. What people say. The cutouts themselves are well built and appear to be of good quality. The welds are clean and the overall construction seems solid. The butterfly valves open and close quickly and smoothly. Number 4. Granatelli Motorsports 302530 3.0 Electronic Exhaust Cutout System. Introducing the Granatelli Motorsports 302530 Exhaust Cutout System. This system is designed to enhance your vehicle's performance and sound. It's a great upgrade for any car enthusiast. This cutout system features a 3.0-inch, 76 mm, diameter. It's engineered to fit perfectly with your existing exhaust system. This ensures optimal flow and performance. The system is constructed from durable stainless steel. This ensures longevity and resistance to corrosion. You can rely on it for years to come. It utilizes a slip-fit design with a band clamp for easy installation. This makes it simple to integrate into your exhaust system. The band clamp ensures a secure and tight fit. The system features a straight bend type. This design maximizes exhaust flow. It helps to improve your vehicle's overall performance. What we like. This Granatelli Motorsport system features durable stainless steel construction for long-lasting performance. The slip-fit design with a band clamp makes installation straightforward. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install cutout, this is a great choice. What people say. The cutouts are easy to install. The cutouts work great and sound amazing. The quality of the cutouts is great. Number 3. FORTLUFT Electric Exhaust, 3.00 foot, 76 mm. This is the FORTLUFT electric exhaust. It allows you to control your car's exhaust sound. It directs exhaust gases through a direct flow pipeline. The valve is made of fully stainless steel. This ensures durability and reliability. It's built to last and withstand the rigors of the road. The electric motor provides fast opening and closing. This new technology ensures quick and reliable operation. It's a modern upgrade for your exhaust system. By using this valve, you can increase your car's dynamic characteristics. It allows for a more efficient exhaust flow. This can lead to improved performance. It's controlled by a remote with on, off, and S settings. The S setting allows for 6 different positions. You can also connect it to a button inside your car. What we like. The FORTLUFT cutout boasts a fast-acting electric motor and full stainless steel build. It offers multiple opening positions for fine-tuning your exhaust sound. If you want precise control over your exhaust volume, this is the perfect option. What people say. Works great. The Chevelle 400 SBC with roller cam with Flowmaster Super 44 mufflers, sounds nasty with a flip of the switch. Valve works great. Body made of good material, welded very well. Valve opens and closes very fast. Number 2. Granatelli Motorsports 307530D 3.0 Electronic Exhaust Cutout. Introducing the Granatelli Motorsports 3.0 Electronic Exhaust Cutout. This system includes two 3.0 electronic exhaust cutouts. It's designed to enhance your vehicle's performance. With one-touch operation, it's easy to control the exhaust flow. You can instantly open or close it as needed. This feature provides you with on-demand control. The motor and harness are weather-sealed. This design ensures long-lasting performance, even in challenging conditions. You can rely on it for durability. The package includes a set of two 3.0, 76mm, electronic exhaust cutouts. This allows for a complete upgrade to your exhaust system. It's a comprehensive solution for improved performance. This exhaust cutout is easy to install. It is designed to be user-friendly. It is a great upgrade for your vehicle. What we like. This Granatelli Motorsports set includes two cutouts for a more aggressive sound and improved exhaust flow. One-touch operation makes it incredibly easy to use. If you are looking for maximum performance and a bold sound, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The cutouts are made of high-quality materials. The design is great and the installation was easy. The cutouts work as advertised and provide a noticeable increase in performance. Number 1. PYPES HVE 10K 2.5 inches Dual Exhaust Cutout Kits. Introducing the PYPES HVE 10K Exhaust Cutout Kit. This kit is designed to significantly boost your vehicle's performance. It's a game changer. Featuring a dual Y exhaust design, this system optimizes exhaust flow. This allows the engine to breathe easier, resulting in increased horsepower and torque. Crafted from high-quality aluminum and 304 stainless steel. This ensures durability and resistance to corrosion. It's built to last. The 2.5-inch cutouts provide an efficient path for exhaust gases. This reduces backpressure and enhances overall engine efficiency. The result is noticeable. The kit includes all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. You can quickly upgrade your exhaust system. It's a simple process. The natural finish gives it a sleek, clean look. It blends seamlessly with your vehicle's undercarriage. It's a great addition. What we like. The PYPES Performance Kit provides a complete dual exhaust solution with included Y pipes. It's built with quality materials for durability. If you are looking to upgrade your entire exhaust system, this is a great option. What people say. I have the option of luxury whisper quiet, or raging loud and aggressive, at the flip of a switch. I never heard a V8 sound so good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.